What's going on, everybody? This is Jsuarez with the Watson Marshall Group. Today we're outside of 2039 Paseo Olivios Court in San Jose. It's a beautiful home and it's huge. I wanted to take you guys through it. We'll check out the rooms. We'll check out some of the construction we're doing inside. A little mid-renovation process. Come on. Family room. We're in the main room you come into when you come into the house. Did you know that this didn't exist here before? They actually added on this whole little section to the front door, bay window, the whole thing here. We added the floors all throughout. We did the baseboards all throughout. New countertops, painted the cabinets, new sink, new oven, new hood. Don't worry about the fridge, okay? We want to make sure that the owners get the fridge that they like. We carpeted our staircase here leading up to the office room. And then you have your another additional space that was also added on. That's great for getting together with the family. If you wanted to have the kids play outside, it's beautiful. You can see, you can keep a close eye on them, and you got a ton of space. So that's what we did. But it's beautiful throughout this house. We've got a lot of these skylights that we cleaned up, and they add such a great natural light to the home. You can see one right here in the kitchen as well. And if you follow me up the stairs, boom, right above me. Bedroom up here, great for guests if you have anybody visit. You got a Jack and Jill bathroom going on. So let's say, it's a family visiting you guys. You want to have mom and dad in this room, and then you want to put the kids over here. Totally possible. You want to have them share the bathroom? Easy, done deal. They also added a kitchenette right here. So you got your sink. Everything here is really clean and nice. And that beautiful window is great for light. We're going to go check out the bedrooms. Down this hallway, follow me this way. Repainted the walls, everything. Cute little room if you've got the kids, somebody visiting, you can use that. Just an extra bedroom here on the left. Another bathroom to your right. Really clean floor. We just redid the vanities in there, all the fun stuff. And this is your master suite. You got the walk-in closet, beautiful bed space. You want to add your dressers over here on the left, you can. Direct access to the backyard, little pop out above the bed so that it adds for the natural lighting. And a nice bathroom. Got your tub in there, everything that you need. Should we pop this door for the backyard? Now, I'm not sure if you remember, but there used to be that clothesline there. Phil and I, the boss man, came over and just ripped that sucker out of the ground, patched it up real nice. So there's nothing to worry about there. And we did a little bit of staging, for the outdoor spaces. And that's our newly renovated home, guys. Remember, like, follow, subscribe, all of that. Have a good rest of your day.